How are you?
Yes, I'm doing well, and thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm better now.
I think
So,
you.
how is practice and everything going on?
Yeah, everything is going all well. So
I watch your YouTube videos. Just now, I remembered that Vikas told me that you have a session with Shika. So, I searched your channel and I saw that you have uploaded our conversation, gender discrimination.
yeah, yeah. I think before that session we also had, and I already have uploaded that
Mm.
session.
Yeah, that I also saw. And with Atul also recently you uploaded.
Yeah,
Mm.
recently I uploaded a video with others.
Yeah, you guys talk about pets.
Pets. Yeah,
Yes.
right.
Yeah. So today's topic is all about trust, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Hmm. So I would be asking the first very basic question. What do you understand by the word trust? What is trust according to you?
Okay, so trust it means belief system. So trust we can say the belief for someone. If we have belief for someone or something, so we can consider it as a trust.
Yeah, when you have faith on someone,
Yeah, right.
yeah, you can also say instead of believe, you can use faith. Hmm. So whom do you trust most in your life and why? Apart from parents. It's
Oh.
obvious that parents.
So my answer was it like parents who.
Yeah, we all trust our parents. So apart from that,
Apart from parents, my brother, I trust them. I think, yeah, my brother, my sister, both.
yeah,
So I trust them apart from my parents. And
yeah, family members we trust. But apart from that, I mean outsider. Do you have anyone?
outside, yeah, I have some friend. I also believe them. So I can say that apart from family, so my friend, one of my friends, so she's really so close to me. So I always trust him. Sorry, her.
Hmm. So what makes you trust her? What is the reason you trust her?
So first thing, she is my childhood friend. So it's a long relation is going on, and still we are a good friend. And whatever happened in my life, always regarding my study, and if I have been in stress and all, so always she supported me, and she just like a sister with me. So sometime I also realized as a sister I felt
Hmm.
so that is why I consider that she is the one whom I can say that I trust on that.
Yes. You say that she's just like a sister with me. You can say she's just like a sister to me or for me.
Yeah, she's just like a sister for me.
Yeah, that is more appropriate. So, do you have any kind of incident where someone broke your trust?
Yeah, it is also, and it's also related to my friend circle. And in my graduation time, so I also started to trust one of my friends, and she is also a really a good friend, and still she's a good friend. But once she have broken my heart, I can say,
Mhm.
and and it was nothing. Just she called me for a party, and I didn't go, and then she means just upset, and she told, okay, we are not gonna talk for a long time, at least around 1 month or 20 days we didn't talk. So means I I have broken. I thought means I never expected it from your side, and only because of one party we are breaking our relation. So what is this? But again, we are a good friend now. But it happened once, and
Mm.
I can say that.
Yeah, what kind of party it was? Like it was her birthday party?
No, it was a wedding party. Her, brother's wedding party. So I didn't go. It was my fault as well, I can say. But
You must have some reasons. That is the reason you didn't attend that party. And also, she because she got angry because she expected already that Shikha would come.
right, she already expected that, and I expected that it would be okay if I will go or not. But it didn't happen. She got angry, and it's been long time, like 1 month we didn't talk, and after again we started to talk. Okay, whatever happened, just let it be. And so yeah, it is about broken heart and broken trust.
Actually, trust was like if I ask her, then she would tell this incident that there was one friend of mine who broke my trust. But I'm talking about your incident. That did anything happen that someone broke your trust? Like that person told you, but that didn't happen.
Okay, no, always it's fine. I think only it is a condition. It's a condition which I mentioned here. Like I didn't expected that, and yeah, you can say that I have broken somewhere her trust. Okay,
Little bit also you have broken her heart.
you can say that. But I
So
never expected too much, rather than it. So what? Why I can say that someone had broken my heart and broken my trust, and still only my parents. So parents always supporting, and like a friend. So she's also a good friend still. So no one is here. Only it's- only
hmm,
I can decide this.
maybe someone broke your trust, but it was very little matter. That is the reason you can't recall right now.
Oh, it may be because very little we forgot sometimes, and it may be that
Yes.
that fault.
One correction I would say that you said I didn't go to the party. It's also okay, but better way is I didn't attend the party.
Yeah, I didn't attend the party. Yeah, it is formal, I think.
Because when you're talking about party, wedding ceremony, so you should say attend. It's the most appropriate. You can say go also, that is also right, but attend is the most appropriate.
It's more
Hmm.
kind of
So let's say that you didn't get any kind of situation like that. Let's say that your best friend, one of your best friends or one of your friends, broke your trust. She asked, or he or she asked, like 1,000 rupees or so, and she didn't return that money. Like with 3 months, 4 months, but still she's just avoiding that question. So how would you react?
okay. How would I react? Actually, I'm the person who will never ask that question that you will have to give me money. Okay, but yeah, always it will be in my mind like, what is this? She have taken something, and she already promised that I will give you, but still she are not gonna give me, and I don't know when she will give or not.
Hmm.
So it would be in my mind, but I will never ask because I don't. I mean, say if I will ask, then I'll have that uh, like a suspense, and maybe I will ask, then we will have some uh, relation issue and
Hmm.
friendship. So
Hmm.
why should I ask? Okay, let it be. And what is the money at all? That's it gone. So
But still, she's not returning. She again asked another 2,000 rupees. First, she asked 1,000, again, she asked 2,000. So, how would you react?
again, if she will ask, then I will try to I will try to deny by making some excuse, because directly I can't deny, because that's already in my mind is going one thing that don't say the about money, because if I will say that we will have a issue in our friendship, so it's in my mind that time. So I will deny, but with making some excuse, with trying to make some excuse, and then no, I don't have. If I will have, then I will give you.
Hmm.
So yeah, in this way I would try to escape myself at that time.
Yeah. That means by by listening your point of view, I can understand that you are a type of a girl who wants to keep the relationship forever. Whatever happens, but still you would keep the relationship. You would give your best, 100%. That I
Yeah, means I always try to keep relation, don't break it. You know, by the minute things which is happening in our life, and why should we break? It's going good, so let it go, and
Mhm.
try to avoid the things which is a minute and a little things which is coming in our friendship, in our relation, for to break it, to
Mhm.
try to avoid it. And I also have done, I think many times I have done it. I didn't care about the things what happened, and I just carry on with my relation.
Yeah, because if I were in your place, then maybe I would have asked. After 2 months, I would have waited. Then I would have asked casually. Then again, I wouldn't have asked that you ask the money so return. So I would ask 1,000 rupees by saying that I need it. So I would test how would she react, whether she would help me or not. If she doesn't help, then I would cut all the relationship.
Yeah, even it happened with me once. I don't know. One of my friends, I think she asked some money, and she at the time she said, "I will give you back," but
Hmm.
now she don't give. And
Hmm.
I just forgot the thing. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Maybe
Instead of asking that money directly, you can go like that. Just wait for 1 or 2 months. Then after that, you can do like that. You also ask the same amount of money. Then test that I needed. Let's say that you are my friend. I needed Shikha. So will you help me? So if that person denies, then you can understand that that person is only for you because of need. That person is not because doesn't consider you as a friend.
but I have hesitation to ask someone for money and all. I have. I
Yeah.
don't try. I never make a situation. If even if I don't have, then I'm not gonna reveal that I don't have money right now. I ask,
Mhm.
give me. Never. I will adjust that situation.
Yeah, asking money it feels bad actually. If I ask something, anything, then it's okay. But money directly, yes,
Even whether she or he will ask me at the time, but I won't, and
yes.
it is a demerit of my mind. I should remove this.
Mhm.
It is
Mhm.
okay.
Yeah, but sometimes you need to do such kind of activities to test that person, whether that person is truly your friend or not.
Yeah, it is right. Definitely. I also suggest it, but I can't do it. I don't have to, you know, caliber to do this. I don't want to disappoint anyone, and
Mm.
this a kind of demerit, I guess.
Mm. I have never faced any situation like this, money related, and but I don't like to be very much. I don't like to tell very secrets about my life, anything personal thing. I just like to be like, okay, you are okay, but in depth, I don't want to tell anyone because I used to tell when I was in class 7. So I had some friends, so they took that advantage of mine. So they made fun of me. You were like talking about my weak points. So from that time only, I got lessons. So you should not do. So from that time only, I don't share with anyone my secrets, my personal life.
My personal life, right?